afternoon, Evelyn.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Evelyn Ibanez. I'm 33 years old. I'm married. I have four children, ages 15, 14, 11, and 6 years old. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
Do you have any experience in taking care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
3-month-old?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care of a newly born baby?
I provide the food. I will sing the lullaby if she cry. And I will play the games.
Do you know how to sterilize bottles?
Yes, ma'am.
Change diapers?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to use operating electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Washing machine, rice cooker, oven toaster.
in your employer's house, what is your main duty?
I'm cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes.
How many times do you do ironing in a week?
Once a week.
Once a week. And cooking?
Three times a day.
3 times a day. Cooking. What about car washing? How many how many times do you do car washing in a week?
In the morning.
Or every day?
Every day in the morning.
This will be your first time to work abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you going to overcome your homesickness?
I will focus my work and I will always pray God.
How many times do you have your day off in a week?
1 week.
Once
in the
a week.
Once a
If
week.
your employer in Hong Kong cannot provide you a day off, but they will pay instead, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay if you finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to use the telephone, even your own telephone, without the consent of your
Yes,
employer?
ma'am.
Any message for your future employer, Evelyn?
Good day, sir and madam. If you choose me, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper, and I do all the rules and regulation as of my employer.
That's all.
Thank you.
Good day.